Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good afternoon, everyone. So, right now, we are on week 7 laboratory exercises number 4. So, here the topic will be static and dynamic scoping. So, today we'll have the procedure is we will create a Perl program used to both clearly difference and effect for two static and dynamic program. Okay. So here, before we go ahead with the program that was created earlier, which is I have created here a Perl program and also a JavaScript program. So the idea is a static type scoping is basically when you have a variable that is defined on your own block that is only available on that block. So the timeline or the scope of the variable is defined directly on in the function itself. Whereas the dynamic scoping is a variable that is defined globally and accessible entire program. So if you can see here, we have a variable. This is a Perl program where a bar variable that is defined globally and um, the same variable is used inside the function called static example, where we are trying to change the value of a bar, dollar bar, and display the value of the variable. Here, if you see the local variable or definition or variable definition called local, which makes this we are accessing the global package variable and we are trying to change the value. Okay, same goes here in JavaScript. So I just want to have a comparison because most of the time, most of the case, developer nowadays are usually frequent. I'm a pro JavaScript actually. That's why I want to try as well and explain much better in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, there are three definitions of variable. It could be lit. It means a variable that is defined available only in the specified scope, or a constant means a variable cannot change its value throughout the execution. The third one will be the bar. So bar means this variable will be available on the global package. It means if you're working in a UI or you're working in Node.js, it is available on DOM level. So it could be it could be a function, it could be a value, it could be any kind of usage. So if you see here, I'm trying when I define a variable, get the same dynamic variable, I can say and change the value to dynamic variable to static bar. At the same time, if you see here, I'm trying to print the dynamic variable before and after executing the dynamic variable. So if you see here, um, let me see. Let me show you. If you see here, the original value is Georgie dynamic. When we executed the same variable name, we defined only the word static bar. Same, it means this variable is applicable only this function. But when we try to do dynamic scoping, we'll be able to change the value of the dynamic variable, which is in global defined, and change its value, which is here, if you can see. And then after the execution, the global variable now is totally changed. So that's the difference between static scoping and dynamic scoping. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.